Customers have relied on Phoenix Contact for almost 100 years. They trust us, they trust our products. And now we're elevating our commitment to that customer trust by introducing our new Cabinet Confidence Limited Lifetime Warranty. It's our promise to you that the products you install in your control cabinets are free from defects and are built to last. Our goal is to be your most trusted partner by improving the long-term reliability of your machines, equipment, and systems. Phoenix Contact can provide this unparalleled warranty protection because of the designed-in reliability and robust performance of our products. Properly protected, we know that our products will continue performing and last a very long time. Let's face it, you know Phoenix Contact has a wide variety of innovative control cabinet products. So it's pretty simple. Our limited lifetime warranty means the more Phoenix Contact products you use, the more confidence you will have in your control cabinet. To learn more, visit www.phoenixcontact.com/LLW. Our new limited lifetime warranty. It's not a campaign. It's the foundation of our relationship. It's trust. Isn't it time you trusted Phoenix Contact to build your control cabinet confidence?